Hola chicos, pura vida. I'm again here with the toy. Right now I want to share with you guys a 3-point anchor. This is the Raft again, but we want to only an easy example. A 3-point anchors in this game. 1, 2, and 3. In this case, I want to use my webbing, my flipping line again, right? I want to come in here first. Perfect. Okay. And then I pass to the other one. Perfect. Nice. Nice and flat. Nice and flat. Yeah. And then I come to the other point. And this one in here again, I can make a water knot, a simple 8, and also I can make a 9. And in this case in here, I want to make a water knot. Water knot. I go with water knot. Same. That's true. The knot and tight, clean and nice. Okay. What I want to do now is I want to pull this one, and then I want to pull this one. And over there is a 3-point anchor. I want to put the carabiner. One more, uno más. Un momento. 1, 2. Y el tercero. Aquí. And the third over there. That's the 3-point anchor. It's adjustable to the side. They distribute the weight. Then I come to this side. To this side. 3-point anchor, chicos. Over here. I go to the front. Three-point anchor. See you later.